Side spout allows for easy, controlled pouring and minimizes moisture to help prevent sugar from clumping. Stainless steel accents provide kitchen-to-table appeal. Clear, BPA-free body shows fill level and lid twists off for easy refilling. 9-ounce capacity hand wash only. A spoonful of sugar is always close at hand with the OXO Good Grip Sugar Dispenser. The side spout allows for easy, controlled pouring, making it perfect for coffee, cereal, fruit and more. The stainless steel accents make it great for countertop or table use. The clear, BPA-free body shows just how much sugar is left and the lid twists off to reveal a generous opening for easy refilling. Top reviews from the United States. Nice little dispenser that works well. I purchased this dispenser because I was tired of pulling down the large, heavy, sugar canister off the shelf every morning for my coffee. This does a great job in place of that. Pros: lightweight, nice sized pour spout, easy to refill, easy to clean. Cons: on the small side, so if you're someone like me who likes a little bit of coffee with my sugar, then you will find yourself refilling this a lot, but I knew that in advance so I wasn't disappointed. Others mention the spout can clog up, hot steam from coffee cup meets sugar from spout. Does this happen? Yes. Can it be prevented? Yes. Simply put your sugar in your coffee cup before you pour the coffee, no more clogs. Overall, I would definitely recommend this. The pros far outweigh the cons.